Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Tuesday and let's get right into the charts. Starting off with Bitcoin, of course, you can see right here Bitcoin is currently dropping back below the value area low of this particular range that we're trading for. We are basically right now back below the weekly pivot. We've hit this resistance yet again. As you can see right here, we are rejecting from a very key level, which is basically this previous low that we made right here. Price cannot reclaim 65k and stay above 64k, which is bearish, as I did also post over on my X. Basically, we needed to stay above 64k in order for continuation higher, but as of right now, Bitcoin is currently about to break this trend. If we don't see a bounce from here, then I do expect for us to sweep the liquidity lower and potentially head down even lower. You can see right here on the liquidation heat map, we do have liquidity stacked all the way down to the low 60s. Basically, we have grabbed a bit of this liquidity right here, down to 61.8. Right now, price is having a bit of a relief. Hype is also dropping, which is something very interesting that we need to pay attention to. After forming this double top right here, you can see Hype is down from yesterday. If we measure this daily candle, Hype is down 7%, which is quite the heavy drop. We are, in my opinion, going to go down again to the monthly pivot and potentially some of the EMAs on the daily time frame. Ethereum also dropped down. You can see right here potentially going even lower. We are currently below this low right here, which we made the previous time, and right now 1500 is the next level to watch for. Same thing for Solana. You can see we failed to reclaim this order block and go for the value area on the monthly open, and right now price is dropping yet again. Open interest for Bitcoin right now, we are trading since yesterday. After we lost the VWAP, we started trading below the VWAP level, and since then you can see we've had a drop with a decent volume. CVD also started to going down, so this is going to be a potential continuation lower. If we start losing some key levels like this lows that we have right here, if price starts dropping below them, then expect price to come sweep the next one, and this is around 60.7k, which is exactly where we have this liquidity cluster sitting, so be wary of that. Fear and greed index right now is remaining at 20, nothing new here. Spot ETFs continuing to see the outflows we've got since this week has started, 2 red days, as you can see right here, and the previous week has also been significantly in the red. And also so has been the past 1.5 months. Long with shorts ratio right now for the day, you can see we clearly have more sellers. Even on Hyperliquid, the bigger whales are sitting right now in their short position. Stock market is also dumping. S&P, Nasdaq are down significantly, printing quite the bearish daily candle. Down 3% for the day is the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500 is also down 1.5%. The dollar is absolutely ripping towards the upside after breaking this final resistance. After consolidation, we can 384 days, the dollar is finally pushing hard to our next 2 price targets, but of course this is gonna take some time. You can see last time the dollar was in a uptrend, parabolic uptrend. It lasted 102 days. I don't believe it will last 102 days, but it is also possible. If we measure it from this bottom, you could say, you see right here, 146 days, and last time it was 105. But if we start measuring from the breakout, 100 days, we're going to be around September 2026. So potentially somewhere around there, maybe the dollar could top out, maybe the dollar could top out even after taking out our first level, and it does not go any higher than this, and potentially this is going to be the final resistance. But as of right now, Key targets to watch for Bitcoin, you could see clearly we need to hold this order block right here, or price will head down even lower. The 2 weekly and the weekly are not looking the best. Basically, if we start heading lower, then expect my target of around here to be hit. And yes, guys, I do believe this would cover it for today. Hope you're enjoying the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.